Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make custard in the Instant Pot. I'm using the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus. This is the 6-quart model. You can use any model Instant Pot. If your sealing ring smells strongly of any type of food, it's better to switch it out and use another one. This Evo Plus came with 2 sealing rings, so I can switch them out when I need to. First, we have to heat up milk. This inner pot has handles, so you can lift this out of the base and use it on your stovetop. Other Instant Pot models don't have the inner pot with handles, so I'll just show you how to heat up milk in this unit. I'll pour in 2 cups of whole milk. Turn on sauté. You don't have to set a time, just heat up the milk until it's steaming. Make sure you watch it. It's been just 2 minutes. You can see the milk is steaming already. So I'm just going to turn the unit off. Just press the cancel button. To the milk, I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. Stir it until the sugar is dissolved. Also add a pinch of salt. Crack 3 large eggs into a bowl and beat them up. Now you want to add a little bit of the hot milk to the eggs to temper it. Stream in the hot milk. You can pour this mixture directly into the custard cups, or you can use a strainer. I like to strain this mixture so the custard will be smoother. Use a fine mesh strainer. If there's any egg particles, it'll stay in the strainer and not your custard. Add a little vanilla extract if you like. Pour the mixture back into your measuring cup. It has a spout, so it's easier to pour into the ramekins. To make the custard, you can use 1 large baking dish or these smaller ramekins. Cover them with foil. You'll need about 7 ramekins for this recipe. Wash and dry the pot and put it back into the base. Put the rack in and 1.5 cups of water. Set the ramekins on the rack. You can fit 4 on the bottom and you can stack the others on top. The pressure valve should be set to seal. With this model, when you close the lid, it automatically seals the pressure valve. With other models, you have to manually turn it to sealing, so don't forget to do that. Press pressure cook. Set the time to 1 minute. And choose low pressure. It took about 7 minutes for the unit to come up to pressure, and now you can see that 1 is displayed on the timer. 1 minute's up, I'm going to hit cancel, and leave the pressure cooker alone for 10 minutes. Then we'll release any remaining pressure. It's been 10 minutes and the float valve dropped down. Now it's safe to open the lid. Lift the ramekins out with tongs. The custard is set but jiggly. You can eat these hot right away, warm, or let them cool for about half an hour, then cover and chill them in the refrigerator for a few hours. It's nice and creamy. You can see there's no weeping, there's no water separation, it's not very eggy. That means the custard is cooked perfectly, it's not overcooked. The custard will continue to cook a little bit after you take it out of the pressure cooker. What I like to do is put some ice and cold water on a sheet tray and set the ramekins on top. This will stop the custard from setting up further. This way the custard is going to stay silky smooth. Of course, you don't have to do this if you're going to be eating all of them right away. As always, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.